Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose additional settings, then languages and input, manage keywords and Gboard. After that, you need to choose text correction, scroll down just a bit and click on the switcher next to autocorrection feature. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!